Hey my plain Janes, and welcome back to my channel. So transparency, I was not going to record this. This is a client request, and at the time I was like, okay, you know, I'll do it, and then I'll just probably just take some pictures or something. But something told me to record because these things came out so nice. So I ended up recording it because, you know, I just don't know any better. And I'm a content creator now, so I have to film everything. So as you can see, the client has sent me a picture, and I am going to try my best to recreate what she wants. So I guess you can say this is a case of what she asked for and what she got. So she wanted the ballerina shape but shorter, so I cut it down midway because these were extra long. So I had cut them down, shaped them, cleaned them up, and now I'm adding my primer as per usual. I already buffed off the shine prior to, because again, like I said, I wasn't going to record it, but I am doing that right now. And then I'm adding my gel coat, my base coat from Beetles. And then we're gonna go in with, we're gonna cure for 60 seconds, of course, and then we're gonna go in with our Model One's Lovely, which is this nude, beautiful nude color. And then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds, add another coat, cure, then we're going to go on to the design. This video will be rather quick because this is not going to be a 22 set. This is, well, it is a 22 set, but this is a client request, and again, I wasn't planning on filming. So I'm going to show you how I did the designs. I think I captured it fairly well, but I'm going to show you the picture at the end against what I recreated and what the artist had. And I think the artist, her name is Nels. So it's Nels Nails, and shout out to her because the design was so bomb, like it was a very cute design. So I had fun recreating this piece of artwork here, and we changed up some colors. In the original picture, there's a bold black line down the middle, but my client didn't want something brighter, so we changed the black out for an orange, a neon orange line. And then there was a turquoise. A lot of these colors are neon colors anyway. So it's a turquoise neon color, and we switched it out for like a neon green or a brighter green. And it came out so cute. And she is going to a trip to New Orleans, so I think this set was perfect for her trip. She also had an outfit for the colors. So again, I'm going to show you what the client asked for, and with the picture, and then everything that we kind of swapped out and made into our own. And you guys let me know what you think. I'm going to stop talking now because I have spoken throughout the whole introduction. So yes, enjoy the rest of the video. are closing off this set with a matte coat because that was also requested. And this is the final look, guys. Like I said, this came out so cute. It's giving tribal New Orleans, neon summer. Like it came out, these colors are so bold and beautiful. I really liked recreating this look. This was so much fun. And you see the stiletto nails on there because in the picture the pinkies are stilettos. So yes, I hope I did my best to recreate this look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. My client was happy with this set, and shout out to Nails for that design, because girl, you did your thing with that. It came out amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video if you really did like it. Subscribe. I can't talk right now. But you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.